Okay. Yeah, please. You. What's your name, sir?
My name is Sunil Kharer,
Coming from
Nepal.
Nepal. And you?
Oh, I am Ram Dinesh Kuswa. I come here from Nepal.
Yeah.
I am doing MDS, Master in Dental Surgery in Orthodontics.
Since how many years?
My course is of 3 years.
Yeah.
I came here in last September.
Yeah.
Now
Right.
it's only more than a little bit more than two months.
Yeah. Then,
I will be staying for 3 years.
like, can you pass some message for the Gujarati student who want to MDS in JMOC Institute?
Yeah, actually, in getting a seat in MDS in India,
Yeah.
it's so difficult because very limited seats are there. So those students who can want to get the MDS done, they can come to CMOC because here there is so many facilities here. There are so many departments. In every department, they take a student. So
The
it's
faculty
good.
is there?
Faculty is there,
Yeah.
but one slight problem is only the language. But you have to learn the language
Yeah,
so
yeah.
that you can interact with your patient and
So
your.
university is teaching the Chinese language.
Yeah, we are in English medium, but institute is teaching us Chinese language.
And what's your opinion regarding?
Yeah, it's same what you told. The main thing is that here there is two courses. One is English medium, one is Chinese medium.
Yeah.
So
Right.
what I prefer best is if you are coming here to do any master's degree, you better do 1 year language course,
Yeah.
and then you do.
Yeah. Means language course for 1 year.
Sir?
How many months for language?
1 year.
1 year.
Yeah.
Is it compulsory?
No, it's not compulsory. There is two courses. One is for 3 years course, one is for 4 years course.
Yeah. Right.
3 years course it is English medium.
Yeah.
But 4 years course it is in Chinese medium.
Yeah. Right.
The main thing is that postgraduate it is main then we have to interact with the patient who are local, and the local they don't speak English.
So,
So,
are
from
you
my point
getting?
of view,
Are you getting exposure with the patient
yeah, no, till now we haven't gone to the hospital.
Yeah.
After 6 months we will be going.
after 6 months? Yeah. Okay. So how is the hospital or the flow of the patients?
Yeah, flow of the patient is good, the hospital infrastructure is good, but the main problem is same, the language.
Yeah. Right.
Let's see
You
what
have to learn the language.
yeah.
Right. So, can you pass some message for any our Gujarati students if they want to come here?
Yeah, they are welcome to the CMOC if they want to come to
Yeah.
our college. So we'll be waiting. We'll be happy to see them.
And how is the living cost? That
Our living cost is not so high for postgraduate. They are if you in lodging, it's around 700 RMB. Apart from the lodging cost,
yeah.
it's not so
You
costly.
you are getting a scholarship, no?
Yeah, I am in a scholarship.
Stipend? Are you getting stipend?
Yeah, I am getting a
How much?
1700 RMB per month
Per month. Yeah. For 3 years.
for 3 years.
Okay. You both are.
Yeah.
You also get. Yeah. Right. I think there is more than sufficient. For
Yeah, it's more than sufficient.
Yeah. You can live in a.
But I think by the 2012 it should be increasing.
Increasing.
The stipend will.
They will. Yeah. Right. Okay. Any Indian students are doing
Yeah, Indian one is doing in endodontics.
Indonesia? Yeah.
Yeah.
How many branches are there in MDS?
MDS as a total it's 10. Apart from there are some basic sciences like dental material and other things, and there is some clinicals. Here there is a separate branch for the implant or like a cosmetic dentistry, cosmetic surgery.
Yeah.
So it's like some department has a good exposure here.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay.